Hello everyone and welcome to Swahili Kingdom. So as the title says, today we are going to learn about again and not again, or not anymore in Swahili, because they have the same word, they use the same word. So how is it used? So in this video you are going to explore the word TENA, which means again and not again, or not anymore. So how can you use the same word to mean these two different things in Swahili? Simple. The difference comes in the negative and affirmative sentences. By negative, I mean the sentences which have the word not or si in Swahili. Affirmative, I mean the sentences that do not have the word not. Okay? So that's the first thing you should know. First of all, the difference, because the not anymore and again both use TENA, the word TENA, and you should know the difference when it means again and not anymore. So that's the first difference that you should note. Positive and negative sentences. So now let's see examples, where it is placed and all that. So if you have not yet subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Let's talk about an app you can use to learn Swahili. It is called Ling app. It has 60 plus languages you can learn inside there. It has 5 levels, which is beginner, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, and expert. And each level has 10 units and 4 subunits in each unit. Speaking test with a native recorded audio, and after that there is a test. It has a conversation between 2 people at the end of each unit. Vocabularies have pictures and are properly pronounced. It is very beginner friendly, and if you are learning Swahili, I will really recommend you to use this app because it gives you a ground when you are a beginner, where to start from and how to communicate with people, because all the basics are in here. As I have said, it has a lot of language options. It is not only about Swahili. The good thing is that it shows you which phrase comes first in a sentence, the sentence order, which is a very big problem. Check the link for downloading it in the description box below. Thank you so much. So we say the first thing you should know is that in negative sentences, say TENA means not anymore or not again, and in positive sentences, TENA means again. Okay, so please note that it is usually placed at the end of a phrase or sentence. So that is the easiest way. I've given you the easiest way for you to know where it is placed. The easiest way for you to know where it is placed is it is placed at the end of a phrase or a sentence. Example, nitanunua kalamu tena. Nitanunua kalamu tena. I will buy a pen again. Another example, sitajaribu tena. Sitajaribu tena. I won't try again, or I won't try anymore. Why? Because it is negative. You have the word si. Si, sitajaribu, negative. Nitanunua, positive. So another way to know where to place it after the main verb or after describing the verb, that is, you will know that after you mature in Swahili, you will just know where to place. But for now, just know it should be placed at the end of a phrase or a sentence. So let's see examples of positive sentences. Ningependa uende dukani tena. Ningependa uende dukani tena. I would like you to go to the shop again. Angejua unakuja tena, hangefungua mlango. Angejua unakuja tena, hangefungua mlango. If he knew you were coming again, he wouldn't have opened the door. Unataka kula tena? You want to eat again? Or do you want to eat again? Nitakutembelea tena. Nitakutembelea tena. I will visit you again. Alienda sokoni tena. Alienda sokoni tena. He went to the market again. Juma alienda shereheni tena. Juma alienda shereheni tena. Juma went to a party again. Juma went to a party again. Nitakununulia nguo tena. Nitakununulia nguo tena. I will buy you some clothes again. I will buy you some clothes again. So if you see these sentences, they are all positive. All these sentences, unataka kula tena, do you want to eat again? So let's head to negative sentences. Singependa uende dukani tena. Singependa uende dukani tena. I wouldn't like you to go to the shop again. I wouldn't like you to go to the shop again. Asingejua unakuja tena, asingefungua mlango. If he wouldn't know you were coming again, he wouldn't have opened the door. Hautaki kula tena? Hautaki kula tena? You don't want to eat again, or you don't want to eat anymore? Sitakutembelea tena hivi karibuni. Sitakutembelea tena hivi karibuni. A new phrase, hivi karibuni, which means soon. Soon, hivi karibuni. Sitakutembelea tena hivi karibuni. I won't visit you again soon, or I won't visit you anymore soon. Hakuenda sokoni tena. Hakuenda sokoni tena. He didn't go to the market again, or he didn't go to the market anymore. Juma hakuenda shereheni tena. Juma hakuenda shereheni tena. Juma didn't go to the party again, or Juma didn't go to the party anymore. Sitakununulia nguo tena. Sitakununulia nguo tena. I will not buy you clothes again. I will not buy you clothes anymore. Why? Because you are ruining the clothes that I buy for you. Just kidding. So make sure you have written some notes. Any word that you see here that is strange, there is an English translation. Please check and write it, because you might want to come back to it next time. It's good when you know the vocabularies, okay? So now it's your turn to guess if it means again or not again. Your time to guess. So the first one, singependa uende dukani tena. What does it mean? Number 2, angejua unakuja tena, hangefungua mlango. Unataka kula tena? Unataka kula tena? Sitakutembelea tena. Sitakutembelea tena. Alienda sokoni tena? Alienda sokoni tena? Juma hakuenda shereheni tena. Juma hakuenda shereheni tena? Nitakununulia nguo tena. Nitakununulia nguo tena. Sitakununulia nguo tena. Sitakununulia nguo tena. So did you get all of them, or how many did you get? Make sure you've got something. This is, just do it in your brain. Don't keep on writing. Just do it in your brain and your brain will catch up, okay? And please, you can make sentences for yourself and see if you are wrong or you are right. When you make sentences now, and then maybe after a month you come back to look at them, you know your mind will have expanded in that place. So when you come to look at it again, you will know, oh, I made a mistake here. So until next time, bye.